Is your hybrid car feeling sluggish lately? And are you noticing that the battery bar on your dash is dropping much faster than it used to? If you are driving a Prius, a Civic Hybrid, or a Lexus, and you see the diagnostic trouble code P0A7F, it means your high-voltage battery pack is starting to deteriorate. This is a serious code because it means your powertrain control module has detected that the battery pack has too much internal resistance or just cannot hold a charge like it did when it was new. Most of these hybrid batteries are made up of 28 individual cells wired together, and your car has a special management system that watches every single one of them. It monitors the temperature, the charge level, and the resistance to make sure everything stays balanced. When the computer sees that some cells are running hotter or have more resistance than others, it knows the pack is failing, and it might even deactivate your electric drive system entirely to protect the car. You will notice a huge drop in your fuel economy, and the car will feel like it has no power because the gas engine has to do all the heavy lifting. The most common causes are simply an old battery pack that has reached the end of its life, which usually happens once you pass 100,000 miles. However, it could also be something smaller like corroded bus bar connectors, or even a cooling fan that has stopped working and let the battery get way too hot. To fix this, you should first check for any other codes related to the charging system and handle those first. Use your scan tool to look at the live data for each individual cell and see if any of them are showing higher resistance or a different voltage than the rest. Take a close look at the battery pack for any signs of corrosion or loose high voltage cables, because a simple cleaning of the connections can sometimes save you a lot of money if the car has low mileage. If the battery is definitely bad, you can try to repair individual cells, but that is often not a long-term fix and can be very unreliable. The best way to handle this is to replace the entire pack with a new original equipment manufacturer component, but that can be very expensive. You might opt for a used pack if you are on a budget, but you should always consider the age and mileage of the donor car. This is not a job for a beginner because the high voltage in a hybrid battery can be extremely dangerous if you do not have the right safety gear and training. If you see this code, you should get your car to a hybrid specialist immediately before the system shuts down and leaves you stranded on the side of the road.